Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue on Facebook videos. So let's get started. So if your Facebook videos are playing sound but no video or just showing a black screen, here's what you can do. First of all, close and reopen the Facebook app. Sometimes it's just a quick loading glitch or a weak connection. After that, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This simple step fixes most playback issues. After that, try clearing the app's cache. To do that, go to your settings and then go into General. After that, go into iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down until you find Facebook and tap on it. And finally, tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall the app again. This removes temporary files that might be causing playback problems and it won't delete your account or messages too. Then, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and tap on Update if available. Older versions often have bugs that cause video issues. And finally, restart your phone after doing all this. That usually clears up any leftover glitches, and once you're done, open Facebook again and try playing your video. The black screen issue should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.